Welcome to J&J's test video of S4 CE175. This is a 2004 LS6 powered Z06. 102,000 miles on it. Runs, drives, got popped in the nose up here. Just a little well worn. Came from down in Texas and it must have baked in the sun. So a lot of the bodies just rock. But it sounds good, it runs good. Good oil pressure. We have good oil pressure, no gas, 102,248. Heater controls are bad, radio's bad, driver's seat doesn't move, all the C5 stuff. So we're gonna unhook the battery, take it for a drive. We'll show you the mirrors work. Oh my gosh, oil your hinges. That window regulator's a champ. Let's see how this one works. Oh, there it goes. Battery off. I think this has the famous wiper controls, wiper stalk that's bad. The wipers just automatically park back up there. But you can see what I mean by the paint's just wasted. Says it has 3/4 of a tank. It just had no gas. Let's try and make sure reverse works. Go. These things have so much torque. And that will conclude our test video for S4 CE178. There's Tony. Go over and park it. 102,000 miles, Z06. Last year for the C4 or 5. Let's see if the windows work. Come on, go all the way up there. Man, this thing has some bad old tin in it. Oh, maybe not. Oh, come on. It was all the way up earlier. Well, we'll mess with that in a minute. Oh. Set the parking brake before we roll into the ditch. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered, and buy some Corvette dropouts.